The body of the rubber ring. Take out the aluminum mounting ring and unscrew the support ring from the sink flange and remove the fiber gasket by turning to the left, clockwise. Put the sink flange on the sink and ensure that the fiber gasket is fit between the sink flange and the sink to avoid leakage. If you use the sealant or other sealing materials, top of the sink flange should be parallel and level to the bottom of the sink, or slightly lower than the bottom of the sink. From underneath the sink, slip the fiber gasket onto the exposed sink flange and screw the support ring onto the sink flange with arrows pointing up, and hand tighten until the sink flange will not move. After that, please insert the stopper into the sink and fill with water to check the sink flange seal and ensure there are no leaks. Place the aluminum mount ring over the sink flange and fix the rubber ring in the same time. Make sure the groove of rubber ring fits well on the groove of sink flange while fixing the rubber ring. Run your fingers around the entire rubber ring with slight pressure to ensure no rinse and without other problem. Find the water pipe, rubber sealing ring, fixed plate, and screw from the attachment, installed in accordance with the instruction manual. Tighten the two screws and ensure that all of waterways are connected reliably and fastened. Line up the disposer under the sink flange and guide the hopper projections into the aluminum mount ring slots. In the same time, turn the aluminum mount ring about to the right so that the disposer is temporarily supported. Turn the aluminum mount ring and the disposer until the disposer discharge elbow lines up with the outlet pipe. If the mount ring is hard to turn, you may add a little petroleum jelly or liquid soap to the hopper projection. Finally, please check leakage of the disposer.